स्वागत है आपका शॉर्ट हैंड अनस्कॉटेड चैनल पर। वीडियोस अगर पसंद आए तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर दीजिएगा। डिक्टेशंस की लेटेस्ट अपडेट पाने के लिए और जॉब नोटिफिकेशंस की अपडेट पाने के लिए बेल आइकन दबा दीजिएगा ताकि टाइम से आपको अपडेट मिल सके। थैंक यू सो मच।
The appellant/respondent/corporate debtor has preferred the present appeal being aggrieved with the order dated 28/1/2021 passed by the adjudicating authority (National Company Law Tribunal, Kochi Bench) in IA number 2 in IBA 13 para. Earlier, the adjudicating authority National Company Law Tribunal, Kochi Bench, while passing the impugned order dated 28/1/2021 filed by the respondent/applicant/financial creditor under Rule 11 of the National Company Law Tribunal Rules 2016 had at paragraphs 4 and 5 had observed the following : respondent/corporate debtor filed a counter statement opposing the relief sought in the interlocutory application . They have stated that the applicant company has only two directors, namely Palani . The director Palani verified and signed the applications and affidavits stating that he is director of the company . However, both the directors have been disqualified under section 164(2) of the Companies Act 2013 with effect from 1/11/2016 to 31/10/2020 . It is further stated that by fraud the applicant/financial creditor obtained an order from this tribunal as the application has been filed by an incompetent person . It is also stated that this tribunal by order dated 24/9/2020 granted liberty to the applicant to file fresh application if the corporate debtor did not comply with the conditions stipulated in the settlement . Hence, if the applicant is aggrieved, he has to file a fresh application . They have also made so many allegations such as the applicant is not a financial creditor, etc., which they have already contended while contesting the IBA . The contention of the respondents is that the applicant is neither a financial creditor nor an operational creditor . However, they stated that they are taking steps to settle the matter . Further submission is that the letter dated 28/11/2018 cannot be treated as an acknowledgement of debtor, as after 3 years it is not a valid acknowledgement and is barred by limitation . They have referred to the decision of the Honorable Supreme Court in 1996 5 SCC 550 to state that a person playing deceit or fraud is not entitled to be heard . We have heard the learned counsel, senior counsel Shri Arvind Pandian appearing for the applicant/financial creditor and the learned counsel for the respondent/corporate debtor . With respect to the contention of the respondent regarding the disqualification of the director, the learned senior counsel has stated that the Honorable Madras High Court wide judgment dated 15/12/2020 in WP number 18641 of 2020 held as under : in the result these appeals are allowed by setting aside the impugned order dated 27/1/2020 . Consequently, the publication of the list of disqualified directors by the ROC and the deactivation of the DIN of the appellants is hereby quashed . As a corollary to our conclusion on the deactivation of DIN, the DIN of the respective directors shall be reactivated within 30 days of the date of receipt of a copy of this order, full stop. Nonetheless, we make it clear that it is open to the ROC concerned to initiate action with regard to the disqualification, subject to an inquiry to decide the question of attribution of default to specific directors by taking into account the observations and conclusions herein, full stop, no costs, full stop. Consequently, connected miscellaneous petitions are closed, full stop, para. In view of the above decision, the contention regarding the disqualification of the directors will not stand, full stop. The question is only the date of removal of disqualification which have no mush, full stop, over. तो फ्रेंड्स ये 110 की स्पीड का डिक्टेशन आपका NCLT का हो गया है, ठीक है। इसमें नाम तो आए थे, साउथ के नाम थे पालानी, शानमुगम एंड कोलप्पन, अंबुजम, कालावती। पालानी हमने सिर्फ बोला था, तो P अपवर्ड L और N बन जाएगा। और अगर आप लोग मैटर लिखेंगे इसका तो शानमुगम है ना, तो शानमुगम पूरा ही बनेगा ये, SH डाउनवर्ड और SH डाउनवर्ड या फिर अपवर्ड SH बनाइए, अपवर्ड SH बना के N बनाकर M और गे में M बनेगा। ये मतलब एकदम लंबी आउटलाइन बनेगी, इसमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, ठीक है। शानमुगम एंड कोलप्पन, अंबुजम, कोलप्पन बनेगा K में L का हुक, P और P में N का हुक, कोलप्पन, अंबुजम, अंबुजम बनेगा MB वाला स्ट्रोक, J और M, ठीक है। और कलावती तो आसान है, KL, V का स्ट्रोक और TH या फिर T बना दीजिए, ठीक है। या फिर वे का स्ट्रोक भी बना सकते हैं, वी की स्ट्रोक की जगह वे का स्ट्रोक। तो ये हो गया आपका मैटर। बताइएगा कैसा लगा डिक्टेशन आपको, स्पीड वगैरह, ठीक है। थैंक यू सो मच। लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा डिक्टेशंस पाने के लिए। बाय बाय।